In this episode, I'll show you how you can create coupon codes for your hosting service or your hosting business. So hover on settings, go to system settings, type promotion, scroll and click on promotion and coupon codes. Let's create our first coupon. Click on create new promotion, enter a promotion code here. Just click on it and we're going to enter our promotion. So let's say hot sale. Put something like hot sale and we're going to give them maybe 30% or 40%. So hot 40. What type of promotion is this? Is it a percentage or fixed amount? It's going to be percentage. So we're giving them 40%. Is it a recurring? If you want this code to be a recurring, clients can always use it to renew. Click on recurring and it will recur for how many times you pick that after you enable this. I don't want to do that. I want my coupon code to be a one time, so leave it. The value, make sure you put 40 here. So put 40. Now this promotion code can only be applied to what? Our shared hosting plans. So just hold down control and pick shared hosting plans like this. So we want our promotion code to be applied to what? Our shared hosting plans. And then required, we only want those who purchase a .com domain, okay, to use that promo code. So let's pick our extensions. Those who don't have any of these extensions, cannot apply that promo code. If you want that, you can enable it. Otherwise, just leave it deactivated. That means clients can apply promo codes even if they don't have domain names. Now, also apply existing products in account, okay, to qualify for promo. We don't want clients who have account with us to use this promo. We want this promo to be for first time clients, so don't allow it. Now we want this promo code to be applied to what? Only the annual plans. Okay, if you want it to also be applied to monthly plans, you can enable that here. Now domains, if you want this promo code to be applicable to domains, you pick domain, and that's 1 year domain. I want to pick my annual and I don't want this promo to be applicable to domains. Now the start and the expiry date of this, just click on it and pick it starts from today and ends maybe in 7 days time or 1 month from now. Maximum users, how many users are allowed to use this promo? You can enter that here. If you leave it 0 or limited, users can apply it. Now do you want it to be a lifetime promotion? That can be done here. Apply it once, please. Let's make sure they apply it once. If not, they will use it and next time use it and use it again. And the primary aim for us setting up this hosting business is to get money. So we don't want them to apply it 2 times. We want it to be applied once. New signups, yes. Apply it once per client, yes. Existing clients, no, just leave it as it is. And then upgrades and downgrades, leave it as it is. Now give this is for admin purposes. All right, just give yourself a note. So say this is a promo for what? For summer sale or whatever, and it's what? 40% off. 40% off. This is for internal usage, and click on save. And we have successfully saved our changes. Warning, duplicated content promo code. Okay, I created this the second time. That's why they're giving us this warning. But let's go to promotions, click on that, and let's delete one. We have deleted one. Let's now apply this code and see how it will work. So type our host, click on that hosting, buy hosting, enter a domain name, check, continue, pick a yearly billing cycle because our promotion code is only applicable to the yearly packages or the yearly cycle. So pick that and click on continue. Pick your domain add-on and click on continue. Enter your code and validate this code. Now take notice of your price. Congrats, the promotion code is accepted. Your total has been updated. Now see. And that's how you create promo codes in WHMCS. I hope you found value out of this video. You can give this code to clients and they will use to make payment on your website, your hosting website. In my next episode, I'm going to show you how you can enable payment gateway on your hosting website. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you there. Bye bye.